Hey there, welcome back to Company Sodi. Get ready, because today's video is packed with fascinating insights. We're diving deep into everything you need to know, from the latest updates shaking up the industry to key insights that could redefine the game. So, stick around and let's get started. And now, over to you, Venky.
Zepto, the 10-minute delivery revolution. What is Zepto? Zepto is reshaping the future of shopping with its ultra-fast 10-minute grocery delivery. Based in Mumbai, India, and founded in 2021 by Stanford students Kavalia Vora and Adit Palicha, Zepto was born out of the need for a contactless, efficient delivery system during the COVID-19 pandemic. But Zepto isn't just about convenience, it's about a revolution. With cutting-edge technology, smart supply chain management, and strategically placed dark stores, Zepto is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the fast-paced world of online grocery delivery. In a world where time is money, Zepto delivers essentials at lightning speed, often within just 10 minutes. It's not just a service, it's a lifestyle change, making grocery shopping as fast and effortless as it gets. No lines, no waiting, just the things you need right at your doorstep in no time. Latest headlines. Here's the exciting news that's making waves for Zepto. Valuation rockets to $7 billion with new funding. Zepto just raised $450 million in a landmark funding round, boosting its valuation to an eye-popping $7 billion. This surge is a testament to the explosive demand for quick commerce and the company's position as a frontrunner in the ultra-fast delivery space. IPO buzz in the air. Zepto is gearing up for a highly anticipated IPO with plans for a massive $1.22 billion offering. The IPO will mark a major milestone in Zepto's rise as one of India's most promising tech-driven companies. Get ready to see Zepto go public and change the game even further. From startup to unicorn, just a year after its launch, Zepto became a unicorn after raising $200 million at a $1.4 billion valuation in 2023. It's a rapid success story that shows how fast-paced, innovative businesses can reshape entire industries. Expanding horizons, Zepto is scaling its operations and expanding to even more cities across India, meeting the skyrocketing demand for fast delivery. With its growing network of dark stores and real-time logistics, Zepto is becoming the go-to choice for millions looking for convenience at breakneck speeds. Company culture. At Zepto, speed isn't just a value, it's a way of life. Every day is about breaking the norm and innovating to stay ahead of the curve. The culture thrives on urgency, creativity, and an obsession with delivering the best for customers. It's a fast-paced, tech-driven environment where innovation happens in real time, and every team member plays a part in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in delivery logistics. If you like solving big problems at a fast pace, this is the place to be. Company information summary. Website, link to Zepto.com. Industry, quick commerce, online grocery delivery. Headquarters, Mumbai, India. Company size, 1,001 to 5,000 employees. Revenue, $424.5 million. Corporate hierarchy, ultimate parent company, no subsidiaries. Funding, Zepto has raised a total of $2 billion across multiple rounds, including the latest $450 million round on October 16, 2025. Year founded, 2021. Zepto isn't just revolutionizing grocery delivery, it's redefining how we experience convenience in the modern world. With groundbreaking funding, an upcoming IPO, and relentless innovation, Zepto is charting a new course for on-demand retail in India. Ready to experience the future of grocery shopping? Zepto is already delivering it. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.